Yesterday's high temperature of 80 degrees occurred at 1:52 p.m. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DeWitt County, northeastern Karnes County, southern Gonzales County, east central Wilson County, until 10:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near DeWitt, or near Kosciuszko, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kosciuszko, Smiley, Gillette, Hoheim, Cheapside, Westhoff, Edgar, Sample, Paulaville, Glaze City, Dreyer, Hammond, and Concrete. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The San Antonio climate summary for yesterday.